problem? He just wanted to be held. Does that make you happy? He's so silly. You just need to be held, huh? Bless you. Bless you.